This cold email template is on pace to generate more than $1 million in sales for one of my clients this year, and I want to go through it word for word so you can copy and paste it into your outreach. Before we dive in, my name is Christian, co-founder at Client Ascension and ListKit. I'm a cold email copywriter by trade. I've written more than 10,000 cold outreach messages for myself and my clients over the past 4 years, and I want to give you one of my highest converting templates of all time so you can copy and paste it into your outreach. Before we dive in, drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. All right, so here's the cold outreach template. Before I write it out for you, I want to give you some context. The person that I'm writing this email for is a custom software agency. Basically, he works with large enterprises to build them custom software to make their businesses more valuable for buyers and VCs and to automate key processes in the back end of their business. The only problem is this is an extremely hard offer to sell over cold email. So I want to show you how he's on track to generate more than $1 million this year from cold email, all with this one template. Let's get into it. So over here we have, I'm just going to open the email with my name. Hi, Christian. Noticed you're the founder at ListKit. My openers are very, very simple nowadays. Literally just a quick observation about their job title. Notice you're the founder at ListKit. We can help you add enterprise value to company name by building custom software into the back end of your business. This software will be your own IP, intellectual property, and will free up more of your time by automating key processes in your business. The software we coded for Client Ascension automated their entire client onboarding process, and we can do the same for you. Mind if I share a quick video going over a custom software idea I had in mind for you, right? Simple as that. The only thing here that I'm really focusing on is getting them to say yes to a custom software idea, because once they say yes to a video going over that custom software idea, then I have 3 to 5 minutes to hop on a Loom video, pitch them, show them why I'm the right person for the job, and get them on a sales call. So real quick, that is basically the template in and of itself. It's very simple, nothing crazy. I want to show you guys a quick A/B test that I would do if this was my campaign. I wrote this out for a client, so it's his campaign. But if I was in charge of it, here's what I would do, right? Subject line, quick question. The other subject line I would test, first of all, is company name, X, your company, so ListKit, whatever the name of your business is, intro, right? I'm going to do X CB Writes Copy because that's my stage name, I guess you can say. Hey, Christian, I want to show you this opener as well. I'll skip the fluff and get right to it. We can build custom software into your business that automates. And then I want to do a very industry-specific angle. So let's say I'm reaching out to manufacturing that automates your inventory tracking at your main warehouse and adds enterprise value to your business as a result. You'll be able to replace, 100 labor hours of frontline workers with this software and make your business more attractive to buyers with this, IP as an asset of your business. With this software as intellectual property of your business, right? Yep, makes sense. I'm going to say and make you more attractive because I don't want to repeat your business. And then open to seeing a quick video of a custom wireframe of a wireframe of a custom software I made for you, right? That's it. That's the whole thing, right? Snappy opener, really good hook, automate your inventory tracking, add enterprise value to your business. A secondary statement that addresses more of the value. You can replace 100 labor hours of your workers with this software. video CTA. That's really it, guys. It's as simple as that. The best cold email sequences of all time are very, very stupidly simple. And I want you to copy this exact strategy into your outreach. If you would like additional help with your cold email campaigns, go to the link in the description, book a call with me and my team over at Client Ascension, and we will help you sign your next 5 clients from cold email and optimize your sales processes, your operations, your hiring, your fulfillment, the whole 9 yards, so you scale your agency or B2B business, sign your next 5 clients, and hit your revenue goals for 2025. We're a couple weeks out from 2025. Get a jump start on the new year. Sign up for Client Ascension, drop a thumbs up, subscribe. Peace.